Okay, today's tech tip will be all around how we can use the header section within our websites, which gives us some more flexibility from page to page. This has come from a request from a client, so here goes. So we go to, if we're in the editor and we've selected our page, I've used the test page here, we go to settings, and from here we can then go down to the media panel. Now this allows us to upload an image, a video, or a colored block, for example, into our header region of the page, which will sit in above the main content but below our masthead. So if I search for images as opposed to uploading one, I can upload one of these photos, which will work as a header. I can also look at my imported options, which are photos that I've previously uploaded to the website. So I've got lots of options to choose from there. What I'm going to do is go out of this for a second and I'll give you another alternative as well. So if I was on a Mac, press Command Shift and 4, I can then select a block. So I've selected a rectangle with the background color of the header. This means I could use a solid color instead of an image as my banner background. So if I go back into settings and media, I can now upload that, which is graphic, which has been set onto my home page, which has been saved onto my desktop, and now I have that navy blue block. Once I press save, and once I've uploaded either a photo or a background color, so as you can see now this blends into the masthead, so if this was the effect I was looking for, it would work well. It also gives me now a secondary option here, so I can see if I roll over the top section, it shows intro, and then with an edit option, which is separate to the content edit. So what I can do next is if I press on edit, I can then put in my page title, and I could put in a subheading. I need to do a little bit of work here on the styling. As you can see, I've got an issue here where it's coming up as navy, the same color over top of the background. That just means I need to go into the style settings and change the heading styles for the page overlay section. But that's to give you a quick example of another area that we can add some content into that is separate to the page content. And you can kind of be a little bit more creative with this as well. So for example, if we wanted to put in a grid gallery, you can then upload your own images to that gallery and have them appear at the top of the page. So if I just very quickly put in a stock photo, it allows us all the same effects as we have in this grid gallery here, but in the header section. For example, I could put it in as a wide angle shot. So essentially it gives us quite a nice effect where we can split the page into two different panels, and this is an effect I've used on quite a few websites in the past. Hope it works for you.